Good morning. We're going to talk about Aloha properties and things that we did in Chapter 9. You would start on your home page, and for this we're going to then go to the Accountant Center as we're going to be making journal entries. Once this loads, you're then going to click on your Make Journal Entry notation here, and that's then going to pull up your journal entry sheets. And for this one, we were making adjustments for things like accrue interest. And then you also, once you had put that information in, you then had to backtrack to it to reverse it, which was this little button right here. But for this, just as an example, you would put in that, say this was accrued interest. You could do interest expense. And then you would put in your amount here, and then here you would pick what you were wanting that to go to. And if it's not in there, when you click over here, it's going to come up for you to set it up. And then once you have that put in, then you would hit reverse, or excuse me, actually you would hit save and new, then you would backtrack to it and you would hit reverse. And we did that for a couple of different things here. Then you also had the prepaid insurance that we put in. And with that, that was kind of the same thing. You went ahead and you did your journal entry and you chose your prepaid insurance. And then we had some deposits that we had to reclassify because they were not, they were for things that haven't been billed or happened yet. And we changed those to other current liability. And then we also had to reconcile our checking account. So for reconciling the checking account, you would come over here to where it says reconcile. Then you're going to pull this up. You're going to change your date to what your statement date is. You're going to put in your ending balance for the account, what your service charge for that period was, and what your interest earned for that period. And then you're going to click continue, and then you're going to mark off all the checks and deposits that have cleared. And then you're going to have at the over here on this side, it'll have what is showing as the ending balance and what is showing as the balances in your checkbook. If there is a problem with that, then you'll need to go back through just like you would for your personal checkbook and try to find where that error is at. It could be in a miswrote deposit or a miswrote check on your end. Just want to make sure that you find what that discrepancy is, change it, and then you should balance. And when it balances, you'll have 0 as your discrepancy amount. So that is what we went over in the Chapter 9. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.